Doesn't it sound wonderful making $10,000 a month right now? Doesn't that just sound amazing? All the things you could buy, all the things you can go, all the things. Bro, I messed it up because I said, bro, we probably wouldn't have to go to school. We probably wouldn't have to go to work, do this, go to college. We would just have so much more freedom in our life, right? Well, there's this massive realization that I've been slowly coming to, and it's gonna suck. It's gonna hurt to hear, but I feel like it's something that we should really listen to because it might be true for a lot of us. So I think we could agree, both of us right now are at one of our stupidest moments in our life. What I mean by this is, like, you think, like, we're probably right here, and you think your life is honestly just gonna, like, yeah, it is, you're right. It is probably just gonna go like this. As we age, as we get older, we get more experience, we get more knowledge and stuff, like, we get, like, all of this, right? So we're gonna grow like this. We're here, we're gonna get here when we're, like, I don't know, 50 or something. So why would we try to work and make so much money and get all that stuff when we're right here, when we're at our stupidest moment? Why would we give our money to ourselves when we're right here? Why should we just not wait, build up the experiences, build up the muscle, build up the knowledge, build up the experiences you get from living your life as a youngling, and then as you build up that experience, you get here. Why don't you start making money here? So it's actually way more profitable. It's way more like knowledgeable to make money here because you have more experiences, you have more knowledge, you have more things you can give value for. So then when you make money here, you're going to get a lot more money actually. So why give that money to ourselves right now when we're right here? Our stupidest self, pretty much. Why would we waste all, not really waste, but spend so many hours just work when we're right here, wasting all of our experiences. Like, oh, do you want to go to this thing? No, I gotta work. Oh, do you want to play this? No, I gotta work. Like the amount of times I didn't go to this one place, didn't play soccer here, didn't do this here. The amount of opportunities I just really missed out on because I thought it was fine to just work, like, oh, hustle, gotta make money, gotta make money. Like, no, I really don't. I really don't have to make money. I'm 16. Like, why do I need money? Why do I need money? Yeah, it might be nice having like a lot of money and 10K a month, but why would I just give it to myself right now? Like, like, we all think we're not gonna just waste our money and like spend it on things, but you can't really say that when you haven't even had that money. Really. You can't say that you're gonna, like, all the lottery winners, they probably thought they weren't just gonna waste all their money. They probably didn't think they were gonna get broke. So why would we work, spend all this time and give all this energy into working, so our stupid self can get all the money? If we even get the money, that is. There might be a chance where we don't even get the money. We're just working on something that we don't even care about, we don't even like, we don't even enjoy doing. And then if it fails, you're just like, oh, well, that was a complete waste of time. Oh, well, okay, I learned this one thing, but I still don't care. I wasted so many hours of my life. So I feel like I like don't take this like 100% as fact. Like take this with a grain of salt, because I'm just really trying to put the thought out there. Like I'm not 100% like convinced about this. I'm not, because I feel like there is kind of like, oh, what if you need to make money? Oh, what if you just want the experience of like having a business, like stuff like that. I feel like that still is good, and especially if you enjoy doing it and you actually love doing it, because it's not a waste of time. It's not a waste of experience and knowledge and understanding. And like, you could have been building muscle, but oh no, you're just working. I feel like it's not bad if you actually enjoy doing it. If you love doing it and you could feel like you can just do it whenever. I feel like if you do it like that and you still want the experience, you still want to make some money, like just so you can know you're actually like that and you can make money. I feel like that's a good thing to do, honestly. So I don't know, I'm kind of like 50-50. I would love to hear what you think about this. So maybe you can comment below. I'll literally respond to you and, see if I agree or not. But I would just say to not get small little bursts of short-term income that's unpurposeful, that's unmeaningful, that you don't really care about. Because what are you just going to spend that like $500 you make from your little drop shipping thing that you don't really care about. You just heard like, oh, it's a get rich quick. So I would say to just do something that you love doing right now and just stick to it for so many years of your life. Like, probably find some business model, something that you genuinely love doing, and then just stick to that for years and years. And then when you're finally here, you get all that knowledge, like all this compound interest thing, and then start doing that right now. So then when you're here, you already have like 6 years, 20 years of experience, I don't know. And then boom, you get a bunch of rewards because you just stuck to it. And it's not a waste of time. It doesn't feel like a lot of work because you genuinely love doing it. It probably would feel like work to other people, but not to you because you actually love doing it. And the best businesses are the ones you stick to for 20 years. So choose a business you actually love doing. I would just say, like, main takeaway thing is just to live your life. Actually live your life, and don't use work as an excuse to not do other things. Don't think like, oh, I have to work. I can't do anything else. Like, yes, you can. Like, you should still work hard. You should still try your best. You could still try your hardest, but don't just make excuses for anything that comes up in your life. Like, oh, do you want to go to this place? No, I gotta work. Oh, do you want to? No. Like, just stop saying no to everything. All right? Like, especially if you're about my age. Like, we should be living more. We should be experiencing more things. So then when we get all that experience and knowledge, we could put it into the thing that we're trying to grow from. Seriously, like, think about this. Let me know what you think about it. If you want to talk about it even more and maybe even level yourself up so you get to that level where you're growing a lot more, join my Discord community. I'll be in there sometimes. We can hop on a call. We can DM each other. We can talk. We can really just have a great time and hold each other accountable and grow way more. So yeah, if you found this video helpful or interesting, you found the right channel, click this video right here. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos like these to try to help you every single day. So yeah, like this video if you liked it. I'll see you later, bro. Like, this, maybe we shouldn't really make money right now. Maybe we should just focus on other things in our life, So yeah, peace.